Most modern Infinity fobs use a release tab or split case design for easy access. First, identify your fob type using your owner's manual or VIN. Look for a small notch or button on the side of the fob. That's the release tab. Gently insert a small flathead screwdriver or coin into the tab and pry to split the case into two halves. Avoid excessive force. This design is user-friendly, minimizing damage compared to older designs. Be sure to use a soft surface to prevent scratches. With the fob open, remove the old battery. Note the polarity. The positive side is usually facing up. Most Infinity fobs use a CR2032 lithium coin cell. Insert the new battery, ensuring it's securely in place with the correct polarity. Now snap the two halves of the fob back together until they click. Test the functionality by pressing the lock-unlock buttons. If the fob has LED indicators, check for blinking lights. Always avoid using metal tools near the circuits to prevent shorts. Replacing the battery yourself can save you money, and the release tab split case method makes it a simple DIY task. If you encounter issues or have warranty concerns, dealerships often offer free replacements.